Good morning, my dear children. Today, I, Mrs. Astha Gulati, your English teacher, is going to start with a new video. New video of your 4th chapter in your grammar. That is pronouns. Children, can you all tell me what are pronouns? Yes, some of you may be right, some of you may be wrong. But I am going to tell you what are pronouns. Pronouns are the words which we put in place of nouns. And what are nouns? The naming words, the places, the things, animals, plants, birds. Yes, everything what we call a girl is also a naming word. A boy is also a naming word. So in place of boy, what we put? We put he, him, his. And in place of girls, what we put, children? We put she, her, and many more pronouns are there. Today, I am going to discuss in this video 2 types of pronouns. That are personal pronouns, in which there are 2 more sections. There are 2 more things, that is subject pronouns and object pronouns. And then we will discuss about possessive pronouns in this video. Okay, so please children, place your books in front of you so that you can understand the chapter properly. Okay, let's begin. Yes children, let us begin with pronouns. I told you all that pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. And the first type of pronoun which we are learning today is the personal pronoun. The personal pronoun, children, what are personal pronouns? The personal pronouns are the words which we use in place of names of people, places and things. For me, I will use I and me, because when I am with many people or more than one people, we use we and us. For them, we will use they. For a boy, we will use he. For a girl, we will use she. And many other pronouns are included in the personal pronouns, children. Let us see into the book now. Now, children, please see and understand when we put the personal pronouns. I am going out with my friends today. Rajneesh is always there to help us. They are not at home. When we are talking about a particular person or a group of person, or I am talking about me, I am talking about a certain thing. Okay, what we use the personal pronouns, children. We use the personal pronouns. Like I'm using a pronoun for a thing, like a chair. What will I use? It is a chair, I will say. It is a brown chair. It is a small chair. I can say like this. So it is a personal pronoun because I'm using it for a particular thing, no? That's why when we are talking about some particular person or a group of person or a place or a thing, we use personal pronouns. Let us now learn more about personal pronouns, children. Children, when I am talking about a particular pronoun, like I am a student, I am talking about I. So I will be the subject. I will be the subject. Why? Because I am talking about I. I is the subject. Now I am talking about myself. It is placed in just the beginning of the sentence. It is subject pronoun. Okay children, now let's see what are subject pronouns. When personal pronouns are used as a subject in sentences, they are called subject pronouns. When I am talking for myself, or I am talking about a particular person, in the beginning of the sentence, the person's pronoun will be there, and that is called a subject pronoun. Now read this, children. The Nayars invited me for a party. The Nayars invited me for a party. What are we saying in this sentence? The pronoun me is the object that receives the action being done by subject. Here the Nayars. It is thus an object pronoun. The object pronoun, children, I am not talking about me. I am talking about the Nayars here. If I will say Sheila invited her for the puja in her house. Sheila invited her for a puja in her house. So I am talking about Sheila, no? I am not talking about her. So when the pronoun is placed after a particular person or after the verb, it's called the object pronoun. Okay, children? When personal pronouns are used as objects that directly or indirectly receives the action done by the subject, they are called the object pronouns. The teacher gave me a book. The teacher is doing a certain action. I am not doing anything. My teacher is doing. So I am talking about my teacher here. So it is the me is the object pronoun. Why? Because it is being placed after the action of the teacher. The teacher gave me a book. I am talking about my teacher, not about me. And then the next sentence is the teacher gave a book to me. Me is placed after the action and the object of the book is the thing. After the action and after the thing also. So I am not talking about me. I am talking about the teacher and the book. So now read this table, children. What are subject pronouns? I, you, he, she, it, and we, and the last one is they. And what are object pronouns? Object pronouns will always be object, children. It cannot be placed in the place of subject pronouns. Can I start the sentence with me? No. You is the object pronoun and the subject pronoun also, because it can be placed in place of object pronoun also and in place of subject pronouns also. So him, her, it again is a subject pronoun also and an object pronoun also. We, and the object pronoun of we is us, and the object pronoun for they is them. Okay, children? Children, till now we learnt about the pronouns, the personal pronouns, and two things which comes under it is object pronoun and subject pronoun. Now it's the time to learn about possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns, anybody has any idea what are possessive pronouns? What is possessive? Possessive means I am owing something. If I am owning something, I will use a possessive pronoun. Yes, it shows the ownership of a person. Okay, so let's begin with possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are the words which shows possession or ownership. I am using this house is Astha's. I can say this house is mine. Yes, children. If I will say, for example, the black bag is Anuj's. The black bag is Anuj's. What can I put in place of Anuj to show his possession? I will say this bag is his. For a boy, in the possessive pronoun we use his. And for the girls we put this ring is Sheila's. So this ring is hers, I will say. For a group of people, there is a different pronoun. We use theirs. T-H-E-I-R-S. Theirs. And one more questionable pronoun we have for the possession, whose. W-H-O-S-E. Whose. Okay. Let's learn about it, children. Yes, children. In the first person in the possessive pronoun, I will use mine. because I'm talking about myself. If I'm talking about you in the second person, I will use yours. When I'm talking about a particular boy or a particular girl or a thing, we use his for the boy, hers for the girl, and its for a thing or an animal. And when there is more than one person including me, I will say ours. This book is ours. This house is ours. The black bag is ours. And if I will use a pronoun which I am using it for people, more than one person, for a group of people, I will say theirs. Tina and Sheila. It is Tina and Sheila's house. So I can say it is theirs. Yes. This house is theirs. Yes. And when I will use whose. When children I will use whose. Whose bag is this? Whose house is this? And many other things which we can, yes, make your own sentences with whose, children. Try to make your sentences. Yes. Whose party is this? Whose car is this? When we are asking about the possession or the ownership of a person, I will use the word whose. It is a possessive pronoun, children. Whose is the possessive pronoun which I am asking for when I am asking for whose possession it is. I am asking about the ownership of a person. So whose bag is this? Whose house is this? Whose car is this? Whose children are they? Okay? So like this we will use the possessive pronouns. Children, the last thing in this possessive pronoun, I will tell you what is the difference between a possessive pronoun and a possessive adjective. Read the first sentence, children. The book is Meenu's. If we want to replace the noun Meenu with a possessive pronoun, we will write the book is hers, because it is showing the possession of Meenu, that this book is hers. She is the owner of the book. And when I will write the book is hers, here hers is showing the possession of Meenu. But if we want to use a possessive adjective, we will use this is her book. Why her book, children? Whose book is this? So her book is this. Okay? So here her is showing the possessive adjective, children. Why? Because whose book is this? Her book is this. I am not telling that it is hers. The book is hers. And the book, this is her book. Whose book? Her book. So now the words which we are using, we have used her to modify and further describe the noun book. So whose book I am telling about, whose book is this? So I will say it is her book. So her is describing the noun book. Okay? So that's why her is the possessive adjective, not the possessive pronoun. Now some possessive pronouns are mine, his, hers, ours, theirs, yours and its. But the adjectives are my, not mine, his, her, our, their, your and its. Children, you can see in the possessive pronoun there is s in hers. But when we are using a possessive adjective, we use her. In ours also and in theirs also, in yours also there is s for with them. But when we are coming to the possessive adjective, we are not using s. Okay? Yes, children, this is the end of the video. And whatever we learned today, the pronouns, the personal pronouns, object pronouns, subject pronoun, possessive pronouns, please go through it, okay, and revise it, okay, and wait for the next video of this chapter so that we'll be finishing this off and then we'll do the exercises. Okay, thank you.